If you want a thing done well, do it yourself.
It's origami time with Mr. Mayberry. Time to flood.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the bird base. First, we start with a square base. Make sure that the open part is at the bottom. Next, we will take the lower left or lower right hand section that's on top here, and we're going to fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center, right along the crease that we have there already. Press good on your fold. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other half. Fold it over so that it lines straight up and down the center. Okay, next we want to turn it on the back and do the same thing. Hold the bottom right edge over so it lines up down the center crease. It will also line up with the part that we folded on the other side. Then do the same thing to the other half. Press good on all your folds. Next, you see this triangle section at the top. We're going to fold that straight down, right along this edge, and press down good. And we lift it up, turn it over, and do the same thing on this side. Fold it down over the edge. What we're doing here is we're trying to loosen this up so that it makes the next part easier. So we do that, then we flip it over and do it back this way again, and you do back and forth several times until it's nice and easy to fold. Then we open the two sides. We're going to open the bottom, and it should fold on this crease that we just made. We're going to lift this up. It's going to make a tall diamond. You have to work with the creases on the inside here so that you have creases already to fold on, and you want to make sure that it does fold on those creases and not create new creases. You work with those until you get it to fold on the creases. In the middle, pieces should line up together side by side, but not overlap. And press down on all your folds. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. You open these two side pieces. It's going to fold right here in the middle as we lift it up. And it should fold along the creases on the sides at an angle to make a tall diamond. And this diamond should line up with the one that we have on the other side. And this is our project for today, the bird base. In the next 4 lessons, I'll show you what you can make with today's base.
Origami for your mommy.